Hello everyone and welcome to maybe the most important video, which is how to find the link to the live lesson, how to find the time of the live lesson, and how to join the live lesson. Very important because I'm sure you're all here for the live lessons, right? Live lessons 20 days a month. I'm sure that's why you're all here, so let's go. On the computer, we've got two videos. Yeah, one, this video is for the computer. The next video is about for the phone if you want to join on your phone. I always recommend to join on the computer because the screen is bigger, you can see more, it's easier, right? So I always recommend it on the computer. So this is our school. What you got to do is you've got to go down and find your course. Yeah, either you are intermediate, beginner, or elementary. I don't know. You find the course that you're in. Let's say, for example, I'm in elementary. For example, maybe you're in intermediate, maybe you're in beginner, I don't know. But for example, let's say I am elementary, A2. You click on elementary. Boom, loaded. And all you've got to do is find the current chapter. Current chapter means the chapter that is now, yeah? You can see today, this is the current chapter we have. Yeah, we've got the next chapter, not yet, last chapter in the past. The current chapter, the now chapter. Click on the current chapter. Boom!
Hello.
And you will see we have all of the lessons of this chapter. And the next lesson is very obvious. It will say over here, next lesson, easy. So you click on the next lesson and then on the next lesson over here, yeah, there will be the link to the live lesson. Lesson link over here. You press the link and here is the live lesson. And you press join at the time of the lesson. Yeah, you can see here, Tuesday 14th, 9 a.m. for example. So you need to press join at the time of the live lesson. Very simple. Yeah. If you go back, is just here. You find the next lesson and you press join at the time of the lesson. But how can you know when the next lesson is? You can say here, we have two ways. One is to know the time of the live lesson. You can press on this website over here. Yeah, here, this website, let's press on it. And here we go, we can see elementary, current chapter. My time zone is in Tokyo because I'm in Tokyo, but you can change your time zone to whatever time zone you're in. And next live lesson time, we can see next live lesson is on the 14th of July, Tuesday, 9 a.m. So this is when you need to go on the link and click on the meeting. 14th of July, Tuesday at 9 a.m. Okay. If you want on this website, you can add the calendar to your phone. If you just press this, the calendar will go on your calendar on your phone. Very nice, very beautiful, very easy. You press this and all of the lessons will be in the calendar on your phone. Or you can save and print the schedule. If you do this, you'll get this, and you can print the schedule like this, and you can print it and put it on your wall, save it to see. All you need to do is go back, find the next lesson. The next lesson is, of course, over here, and press on the live lesson link at the time of the next lesson. If you want to know when the next lesson is, you press the link to know the times of the live lesson. Also, we have a group on Telegram. On the Telegram group, we send a reminder of the live lesson 1 hour before each lesson as well. So if you want, you can join the Telegram group as well. If you want to join the Telegram group here, it's necessary content and join our exclusive group of students. Boom. Yeah. Just to recap, let's go straight from the start. You go home, you go to your course. Let's go to elementary, easy. And you go to the current chapter, now chapter. And here on the right, you'll find all of the lessons on the right. And what you got to do is you've got to go down and find the next lesson. Click here. Boom. Click here. And press on the live lesson link. To know when to press on the live lesson link, You can either stay in the Telegram group and we'll send a message 1 hour before to let you know when. You can look at the live lessons times and you can stay looking at it. You press jump to the live lesson time and you press live lesson. Or you can print or save the schedule, take a screenshot for you to know the time of every lesson. Or you can add the calendar to your phone. You have many, many ways to know when the next live lesson is. And that's it. So at that time, at that date, please click on the live lesson link and we will accept you to the live lesson. And that's how you join the live lesson. Thank you. If you want to know on your phone, the next video under this video is about how to find the live lesson link on your phone. Okay, so thank you, and I hope to see you in the next live lesson.